Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study English fast, only way. Start with a simple daily plan that combines active recall, spaced repetition, and speaking practice for 30 minutes. Focus on high-frequency vocabulary, short dialogues, and error correction immediately. Rotate listening, reading, writing, and speaking so each skill supports the others. Track progress weekly and adjust difficulty to stay challenged without burning out or losing momentum. Create consistent 30-minute blocks with clear micro-tasks: listening, speaking, and review. Use spaced repetition intervals like 1 day, 3 day, and 7 day to lock vocabulary into long-term memory. Record short speech samples and compare to native models for quick pronunciation fixes. Keep materials lightweight and repeatable so you can maintain daily streaks and build confidence without feeling overwhelmed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for meal prep between study sessions. They keep food fresh and avoid spills when you rush to a conversation class. They save time and cut distractions so you stay focused on learning. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Select resources that are slightly challenging but still enjoyable, like graded readers and short podcasts. Build flashcards that include images and example sentences to create strong memory hooks. Schedule real conversations twice weekly to apply what you learn and get corrective feedback. Small, consistent practice beats occasional long sessions, so prioritize daily exposure and active use over passive study.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.